There's a specific type of quiet out here in the Mojave County. It isn't empty, it's just waiting. Today, Kingston and I are making the long haul back to the property. The mission on paper is technical. We need the final measurements for the new security gate. We have the still list, but the terrain doesn't care about a blueprint.
Help me be the best that I can be. There's nothing more that I would ever need. Fly together where the sun meets sea. Where we can be together. Where we can be together. Where we can.
Every time I step foot on this dirt, I'm reminded why we bought it. This parcel has history. The locals say this area was a part of a surveyor's route back in the 1940s that never got finished. A patch of land that fell off the map. It's sat untouched for decades before we bought it. It's rugged and beautiful, but it's exposed. To build a homestead here, you have to respect the isolation, but you also have to maintain it. Alright, I think we got more than what we need. I need you to stand up. And I'm gonna do it up here. There we go. Stand right here.
And just hold it?
Yeah, right over here. Right here.
This?
Yep, you're the post. Stand back just a little bit. Two steps. We're gonna put it about right there. Hold it tight. No, don't move. You gotta stand back right where you were. All right, it is windy out here, guys. Kingston held his ground, but the wind was definitely fighting the camera today. We did manage to get the width measurements down. It looks like a 20-foot opening could work, but I'm leaning more towards a 16-foot gate. Since we have two separate entrances on this property, I want to avoid the complexity of a double gate on this side. Unfortunately, the wind picked up and it made it impossible to finish the rest of the job. I wasn't able to measure the total distance from the front boundaries all the way to the back lot. I need those numbers to figure out the exact placement of the future home build and to calculate how much brush the crew needs to clear the next time they come out. Alright, Kingston is going to put the private post, I think right here is good, huh? Yeah, let's do it right here. Yeah, you hold it and hammer it. Hold on. You gotta do it hard. I ended up finishing the job, but he got it started. And it turned out pretty good, I might say. Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Kingston and the family truly appreciate it. If you can give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, hit that hype button, it would truly mean a lot. It's completely free. It'll help this video reach more people and help us build this channel. We're really excited about this new journey. We're learning a lot of patience. Being so secluded out here makes us realize preparation and having a solid plan is crucial. If we forget any materials, it can cost us time, it can cost us money. Especially since we only can work on the weekends due to school and work. We're building the dream one weekend at a time. Peace out, guys.